and welcome to my channel. My name is Minocha, and in this video I will show you how to take out your braids. Sometimes it's so difficult to take out your braids because of the hair builds up. So I will show you my tips and tricks how I achieve that. Things that we need some scissors, comb. You can use hair tie or hair clippers. My plastic bag is also here, and I have my in this bottle I have a mix of oils. I have here olive oil, castor oil and tea tree oil. Okay, so let's start. I will start first to cut my hair, to cut the fake hair. As you can see my hair is coming out. So I've been like 2 months already in this braid, so my hair is coming out. So I can see where my hair ends. So I will cut it like 2 inches below. If I'm looking that way because my mirror is in that way, so. I use the end of the comb to open up my braids. So sometimes we do it with hands and sometimes with a comb. Just for the start, I think, mostly. One hair is out. This is the fake hair, so don't worry. So let's do the other side. I finished the first part. I finished taking out my braids, so let's do the same thing on the other side. So let's do this. I'm done. I'm so happy I'm done. I'm done taking out the braids, so let's start with the difficult part, removing the buildup. So let's start. I will spray my hair with a mixture of oils and let it penetrate my hair and trying to remove the buildup. After that I will comb it out, just comb my hair out. Everything is falling. I will show you guys how I remove the buildup of this part. So this hair, I will call this hair my gummy hair because it sticks like glue, you know? You can see it here, it sticks like glue. It's not normal. I call this part of my hair my gummy hair. And like this part, it's not going with I cannot open it with my hand, so I will go with a comb. I will use the back of the comb and apply it in the hair and try to loosen it up. And sorry guys, I cannot show you. You know where the buildup is, you will insert the comb, there's the back of the comb in the buildup. So I try to loosen up the buildup. Then I try to detangle my hair with my hands. after that I will comb my hair to remove the build-up. And it's not open up. I have here my detangling. Let me show you. That's the detangling spray, so I will use it. So that's my process with the stubborn hair. I'm saturated in oil, literally. I'm done. This is everything for this video. I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow, so I'll just put my hair in a plastic cap, in a plastic bag, and I'll just sleep with the plastic bag on my head for the day. So my hair is super oily. My hair is drenched in oil, so I'll just leave it like this and wash it tomorrow. Comment down below what product you use to remove your build-up, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.